we've got a mine. I just passed Child of the Sun. They're doing 8 knots. I'm doing 12. So my goal in this kind of water is to get through quickly. So I don't really care how much fuel I burn or whatever. I batten down the hatches and I'm just going at it. I see the buoys up ahead, the markers that I need to follow. That was, might have gotten a frame on that. And once I get back in that channel, it'll get me out of. It's actually calming down already, I think, a little bit. The red markers on the port side, the green markers on the starboard side, and once you get a little bit closer in, we will be out of this bumpy water. It's just awful. I've been in worse, but not on this boat. This is probably the worst I've been in on this boat. Fun stuff. We got my sea legs. The sun is way back. Nobody else coming up on me. It's all looking good. And that was the Tampa Bay.